Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change pattern lock to pin lock in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. I have set in my phone pattern lock. This is my pattern lock. If you want to change this pattern lock to pin lock, if you would like to use pin like numbers, then you can do it. For that, first go to the settings and click on lock screen and click on screen lock type and draw the current pattern for authentication, and now click on pin. Instead of pattern, just use pin. Okay, just click on pin and set the pin. Set new pin. Pin must contain at least 4 digits, so here I use 1994. Confirm pin without tapping okay. That means if you enter pin after setting your pin, if you want to unlock your phone at particular time, if you put that pin, it will just without tapping okay, it will just directly go. Okay, if it is unselected, you have to press okay, you have to type your pin, then click on ok, then only it will enter into your phone. Okay, that's the meaning here. Okay, I unselected it and click on next. (1994). Tap continue when it is finished. Enter the same pin to confirm it. 1994. Click OK. Pin don't match. Just type the matching pin. Again I do it. 1994. OK. Yes. Now it is changed to pin. Now I check. So you got to give OK here. I already told in the settings. After giving your pin 1994, if you have selected that option, if just after typing your pin, immediately it will go. Okay, otherwise you have to press OK. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.